Hey, what is up guys? This is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. What you're seeing here is a Christmas mystery box that was sent to us by Lenovo in partnership with Intel. Now, they did send me the total price of everything in here, but they did not tell me what the specific products are inside. So, pare-parehas tayong manghuhula mamaya at titingnan kung ano yung nasa loob ng box na ito. And I'm actually very excited. Now, since they're partnering with Intel, I would already think that there's already a laptop inside. They actually sent me, apart from the total price, they sent me an individual price of everything inside. So we're looking at about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 products inside. But they did not tell me kung ano yung mga laman. So, you know, pare-parehas ating hulaan ngayon dito kung ano yung mga prices of everything in here. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so this is going to be my first time to actually open a huge Christmas mystery package like this, no? And I'm actually just very excited. So obviously mukhang pina-fabricate pa nila to. It's made of parang plywood yata to, no? But let me just lower this a bit para guys makita niyo yung binubuksan ko, okay? All right, so let's put this right here. Okay, we gotta be careful kasi I have to pull this up. Ready? Okay. Ooh, there you go. Okay. Wow. All right, so there's a laptop inside as expected. So since this is a partnership with Intel, we're seeing here a Lenovo Yoga. I'm not sure what particular variant of the Lenovo Yoga series this is, but since they're already launching their 11th gen laptops, I am guessing that this one is rocking an 11th gen CPU. Okay, so let's go and check that out later. But I am seeing a lot of great things here, which should really total to 127,000. There are a few leaflets here which kind of tells us about the Empire Christmas sale that's happening from October 31 to December 31, 2020. Yan, exclusive Christmas sale rewards. We actually have an article about this on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. I highly encourage you guys to go and check them out. Okay, so this is one. Lenovo Herschel, they have again another partnership with Herschel. I would think that there's a bag here, a Herschel bag, and also some promos that you get, especially if you're going to buy a laptop from Lenovo. I'm seeing here some of their really nice looking models. Christine Samson, Ariel Garcia, Nami Onuma, and Rogine de los Reyes. I actually met some of them. Met lang. Okay, and yun, Lenovo Yoga 7i, since we will be also reviewing this. So that confirms it. This one is a Lenovo Yoga 7i. Okay, so now I do have a monitor right here, so I know where I am right now at hindi ako nawawala dun sa frame. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the first one. We have here, yan, para meron tayong guide kung ano itong mga to, no? We have here a mouse. This one is a yoga mouse. Now, this is, actually, this was announced in CES a few months ago. I was in CES, and they actually did announce this. I wasn't there sa mismong Lenovo booth, rather, but I actually heard about this particular product right there. This is a yoga mouse. Okay, this one is 2,995 pesos. Cool. We have another one. This is a smartwatch S2. I believe we actually posted something about the smartwatch S2 on our website at gadgetphilippines.net. It was written by Eman Tortosa. I would recommend that you guys go and check it out. This one costs 2,995 pesos as well. This is actually quite, it's not expensive. Because usually smartwatches would range about 2,990 to 3,290 and beyond. So the more expensive ones would cost you about 30,000, which is, you know, from the Fruit company. But this one is just 2,995. Full screen touch, ultra thin metal case design, multi-mode with dynamic heart rate. Okay, wow, and pretty loaded with features as well. Now, next we have the 65 watts USB-C AC travel adapter. While it says here travel adapter, and we don't travel that much lately, this is going to be very useful later on. But even if hindi ka travel, I do think that you'll still be able to use it at home. So, next, we have here another one, which is a Lenovo Yoga Active Noise Cancellation headphones. Wow. Okay, I am a fan of active noise cancellation, ANCs. I do have the one from Bose, and I have one incoming from Sony. And this one's going to be an addition to my collection. I haven't experienced a Lenovo Yoga Active Noise Cancellation headphone before, and this is going to be my first time to actually do it. And we have another one, which is a Bluetooth headphone HD700, also from Lenovo. Now, for the price of these two headphones, the ANC is 9,995 pesos, while the other one, the HD700 ANC, is 2,995. So we have the 2,995 here, 3,995 with the USB AC adapter, and the smartwatch and the mouse, both are 2,995. Okay, next, we have here, wow, the one being worn by Rogin yata ito, yung suot ni Rogin kanina. This is a Herschel 15 hip pack. Okay, 15 hip pack. And the cost is 2,495. 2,495 hip pack. And we have here a laptop sleeve, Spokane laptop sleeve, also from Herschel. Again, they do have a partnership with the Herschel, so that's why we're seeing these exclusive and premium items from Herschel. And this one costs 3,495 pesos. Pretty neat accessories for the Lenovo Yoga 7i. Next, also from Herschel, I'm liking how it looks right here. Kind of really uniform to the design of the laptop sleeve and also the hip pack. And this is the Gibson Messenger Pack. Wow, and this one is 7,495 pesos. Last but not the least, before we go to the Lenovo Yoga 7i, is this sweet looking jacket right here. This is the Herschel stowaway jacket. I wonder how this one is pretty special. Whoa, cool. And let's turn it on in 3, 2, 1. All right, so wow, it's nice. And it has that theme, overall theme right here. It's in color black and kind of liking it. Hindi mukhang malaki yung tiyan ko dito. Okay, cool. This is, again, the stowaway jacket, and it's pretty priced quite high. It's 10,995 pesos. Again, you get a good quality because this one is Herschel. So what do you expect? It's from Herschel. So now, let me go through again what we received right here, just so you guys are aware of these things. Again, this is the stowaway jacket. This is the hip pack. And we got here the Gibson Messenger bag. Design coordinated lahat. Spokane laptop sleeve, also from Herschel. We have the HD700 Bluetooth headphone. We have also the Lenovo Yoga Active Noise Cancellation headphone. And we have here the Lenovo 65 watts USB-C AC travel adapter. And also the Yoga mouse and the smartwatch S2. Whew! Dami! Okay. And here comes the star of the show. We have here the Lenovo Yoga 7i. Okay. All right. There you go. Yan, Lenovo Yoga 7i. Anong bubuksan to? There's a hinge at the back, but how do you open it? That's, oh. Ah! Yeah, okay. Parang hindi ko na siya nasira, di ba? Cool. Okay, so meron kaya pala may hinge dito. Alright. This is the box of the Lenovo Yoga 7i. Bags go here. Oh, it's still sealed. Okay. Now it includes here office, home, and student, yoga. Okay. And it says here Intel i7 1165G7, 2.8 gigahertz. Very nice. 16 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and integrated GPU. It's 14 inches FHD and 4-cell battery. That's a quick rundown of specs for you guys. So I won't bore you much with the details. Of course, we will have a proper feature of this article, or of this laptop rather, pretty soon. We'll be reviewing this as well. Now the seal has been broken. Let's go and check it out. Accessories on the right side. We have here the, what is this? Oh, it's the pen. Because this one is touchscreen, touch display. So it has battery. Cool. And apart from that, we have another one. This is, I believe, is a USB-C 3-in-1 hub. So you don't need to buy yourself another hub. So that kind of saves you probably about 1,000 to 2,000 pesos. So may kasama na siya na 3-in-1 hub. You don't need to spend anymore. And, oh, it's the AC cord. And, wow, ang liit ng kanyang charger ah. Wait. 4-cell battery. Ilang watts to? How many watts is this? 65 watts. Interesting. At Type-C siya. 65 watts Type-C. Good to note. Okay? Doon pa lang medyo na-excite na ako sa kanya kasi 65 watts charger already kasama. Tas Type-C. Hindi siya bulky. Not really bulky at all. And I like that. And we have one here. Safety and warranty guide. And the one, Lenovo Yoga 7i, 14 inches. That's the one we were having. Setup guide. Okay. And we have the Lenovo Yoga 7i, 14 inches. Wow. Hindi siya ganun kabigat ah. Just right here. Ooh. Not bad. Ooh, it's sleek. Oh, wow. So, the build and construction is, based on my first impression, is really nice. It's made of a metal chassis, and I can already see that this one can really withstand a lot of beating. But I don't want to try and, drop test this. So anyway, so what's special about the Lenovo Yoga 7i, at least for the new variants, is that this one is powered by Intel Evo. And the 11th gen series of Intel actually promises a lot of great things, especially in terms of performance, about 3 to 4 times better in terms of rendering videos. And that is actually a big deal for me because I've been using DaVinci Resolve, and that one really eats a lot of processing power and also RAM. This one has 16 gig of RAM as well. So, you know, having all these two things plus the Intel Iris Xe graphics would really help you a lot in terms of editing on the go. So that is actually already one of the great things that we're looking at here at the Lenovo Yoga 7i. Now, apart from the build construction and also what powers the Lenovo Yoga 7i is that we have here a 14-inch display, touchscreen display. We have a keyboard right here, speakers on the right and on the left. It is actually powered by Dolby Atmos. And we have here the touchpad and the fingerprint reader, plus 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-Cs and a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-A, plus the power button on the right side. Okay. Now again, this is powered by Intel 11th Gen processor, Intel Evo. Again, I will be reviewing this pretty soon, and I can't wait to give you guys or show you guys our benchmark results and compare it to other laptops in the market right now. The SRP of the Lenovo Yoga 7i is posted now down below, so if you want to know more about it and where you can buy, it is actually there at the description box down below. Again, this is just my first impressions and unboxing of this package that we received from Lenovo. Special thanks to our friends at Lenovo for sending these over. Merry Christmas to you guys. For those of you who are currently watching right now, thank you so much for tuning in into this unboxing session. Let me know in the comment section down below which one among here should we give away to our fans and followers at Gadget Pilipinas. Just name one, let me know in the comment section, and we'll go and check out which one we will be giving away pretty soon. Well, that's about it, guys. Watch for our upcoming contents about these products. We will be talking more about them in the next few days, especially with the Lenovo Yoga 7i powered by Intel Evo 11th Gen. I am very excited to try this out myself. It's going to be the holidays, so it's Christmas, and I'll be taking this with me when I travel to my parents pretty soon. I'm excited to see them. So I will also be posting some of my videos, unboxing videos pretty soon. So I'll be using this as my main driver to edit my videos. I'll be putting in my DaVinci Resolve Studio 11 here, and let's see how this one will perform, and how this one will render my videos, how quick they will be, because I'll be rendering in 4K videos with my drone right there. Okay, so with that, I thank you, for tuning in to this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!